In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image in Google Vids. Whether you're aiming to create professional presentations, engaging educational content, or just want to spruce up your video projects with a clean, focused appearance, knowing how to effectively remove background images can be an invaluable skill. Let's dive right into this straightforward process. We begin our journey on the Google Vids platform. Google Vids, part of the broad suite of applications offered by Google Workspace, is a powerful tool for creating and editing video content directly in your browser. No special software is required. All you need is access to the internet and a Google account. So the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Google Vids. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click on the sign in button to proceed. This step is pretty standard, and if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, it might even skip this step and take you straight to your Google Vids dashboard. Next, you're going to choose your Google account. This should be straightforward if you only have one account. If you have multiple, make sure you select the one associated with the project you're working on. This ensures that all your work is saved and accessible in the right place. Once you're signed in and have access to your Google Vids dashboard, it's time to select the image you want to work on. Google Vids allows you to manage and edit video content, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on a static image within your video project that you want to remove the background from. Navigate to your project and then identify the specific image in question. After selecting your image, look for the Format button. This is where things start to get interesting, as the Format menu is the gateway to a range of editing tools that can help you enhance your image and video content in numerous ways. Once you're in the Format options, you'll want to click on the Image subsection. This part is crucial because it specifically targets image-based adjustments and effects, one of which is the background removal tool we're interested in today. Finally, you've arrived at the moment of truth. Click on Remove Background. This powerful tool uses advanced algorithms to detect and isolate the main subject of your image from its background. It's perfect for creating more professional-looking slides or emphasizing key visuals without the distraction of a busy or irrelevant background. There you have it. The background of your chosen image should now be removed, leaving you with a crisp, clean look that can enhance the overall quality of your video project. Google Vids makes it incredibly easy to perform what once was a complex task requiring specialized software. A few additional tips to keep in mind. First, the effectiveness of the background removal tool can vary depending on the complexity and contrast of your image. Images with high contrast between the subject and background tend to yield the best results. If the first attempt doesn't give you the clean look you were hoping for, you might consider making adjustments to the image beforehand, or choosing a different image if possible. Also, don't forget to explore the other formatting options available in Google Vids. The platform offers a variety of tools that can help you adjust the appearance of your images and video content even further. Playing around with these tools can not only improve the quality of your current project, but also help you become more proficient with the software for future work. And that's everything you need to know about removing a background image in Google Vids. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with Google Vids and its suite of editing tools, the more efficiently you'll be able to bring your creative visions to life. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial. Now go forth and create something amazing with your newly acquired skill.